Here's how to save videos to watch offline on YouTube. So I'm on the desktop version of YouTube, but I'll also show you on mobile. If you've clicked on a video and you're watching it and you want to save it, you're probably going to see a little save button down here. And when we save it, we're essentially saving it to some kind of playlist, whether it's the Watch Later playlist, My Music, or you can even save it to a new playlist. I'm going to call this my offline playlist. How about that? And it can be a private playlist. That's no big deal. And so I might have wanted to save an entire playlist to watch offline. I'll show you how you can do that. But if I just wanted to save this one video, I can actually click on the three dots and then click on download. And that's going to save it to my downloaded videos, and I'll show you where those are as well. The cool thing about a playlist is that you can set up a bunch of videos and download them all at once. You don't have to go to each video individually. And then the download section is going to show you all your videos that you've downloaded to watch offline. So first, where's the download section for any downloaded videos? Well, we're going to click on our three-line menu up here, little hamburger menu. And on the left-hand side, we're going to see in the U section, this downloads. And when we click on that, we're going to see any videos that we have downloaded here. And so I just downloaded this video, and that's going to be saved in here, and I can watch it, and I can watch it completely offline. Now, on my playlist, so same spot over here, I'm going to click on playlists. I've got these different playlists in here. And I'll actually show you this little My Music playlist instead of this one that we just did. Inside of this My Music playlist, I actually have several different artists' music in here. And if I click on this three dots on this full playlist, I can actually download everything all at once. So when I click download, you can see that every one of these videos is downloading, and now I can watch it offline. I can watch this entire playlist offline just by clicking play all. I can even shuffle this playlist and loop it as well while I'm playing it. Now on our downloads, if we click back on that, now we can see that I have actually downloaded this entire playlist as well. So I've got this video, I've got this whole playlist. You can see 4 total downloads. So let's take a look at what this looks like on mobile. So on the YouTube app, you can do the same thing. When we click on a video and we're watching it, you can pause it or tap it. Okay, it's already paused. There we go. It was at the end. I'm going to cancel that. Okay, so below it here, we can see these three dots. If we click on that or tap on that, we see save. So we can save it to a playlist and do the exact same thing as before. Or we can tap on download, and it's going to download that for offline view. And when we have that downloaded, we can actually just get out of this, exit out of that, and go to our profile picture down in the lower right. Inside of here, we're going to probably be taken to this dashboard where we can see our playlists right here. And if we scroll down a little bit, we're going to see downloads right here. This is on both Android and iPhone in the YouTube app. We tap on downloads, we're going to see our downloads on this device specifically. And so you might see other downloads that aren't on this device or downloads that are. And this one I downloaded earlier on desktop, but I also downloaded it in a previous tutorial, which is why it shows up on this phone. These will be device specific. So that download that we did on desktop will be on my computer. The downloads that we do on my phone will be on my phone. They're not going to necessarily sync. So you're going to have to make sure that you download whichever video you want on whichever device you want to use. But if we look at the kind of settings here, we can actually see a few things on downloads like smart downloads and, downloading recommended downloads, what quality we download in. So if you want to, you can actually download in higher quality. We can also download over Wi-Fi only if you want to make sure you don't accidentally download videos on your cell phone data. And then you can actually delete downloads here. Now, if we go back a little bit to the playlists, so back on our profile picture dashboard, we see playlists down here as well. And if I were to click on a playlist or tap on a playlist, I'm going to have this little download button here. This one's already downloaded. Or it might show as 3 dots, and you can just tap on that to download all as well. Now, the big important thing is that you do need to have YouTube Premium to do this. And so you can actually, as I am right now, do a free trial of YouTube Premium. You'll find it in the app. You can also go to youtube.com/premium. And if you don't have YouTube Premium, you're also going to see it in this little hamburger menu on the left-hand side. You'll see it down here on More from YouTube. I believe you should see YouTube Premium down there. But you could go to youtube.com/premium and do a 30-day free trial of YouTube Premium. And you can cancel anytime. So I actually just canceled, and I still have 20 some days left on this YouTube Premium plan. And with this, you can do the download for offline play as well as play in the background when you're in the YouTube app, etc. And so I would highly recommend that if you want to be able to download those YouTube videos to play offline. And that's how you can save videos to play when you're not online on YouTube, whether you're going to be traveling in an airplane or somewhere where there's not good connection, or you don't want to use your cell phone data to be able to play videos and stuff in the background. YouTube Premium's a great option for that. Hopefully you liked this video and it helped you out. If you did, make sure you like this video since it helped you out. And I'll see you guys in the next one.